Hey guys, it's Tori from Calypso Creative Planning, and for today's digital plan with me video, we're going to be taking a look at a weekly spread I created for this current week using my brand new June freebie sticker set. So stick around to see it. Okay, so this month of June, I've decided to work in my purple version of the Dragonfly Calynichi planner. And I'm going to start out this weekly spread with this adorable little mini calendar from a set from the Digital Siren. I chose this because I love the color, the solid color and the paper texture. I think it goes really good with the stickers I'm going to use. And so I'm going to start out on the page with using the shape tool so I can get straight lines. I'm just going to outline the tops and bottoms of this weekly area just because it's a subtle way to add a little bit more color. Even if this is like a really soft color, it's just not the gray. It's just something. And I'm also going to outline my weekend, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist. You've probably seen that by now, so I'm going to take a bit of time to rearrange the lines and zoom in because I'm such a perfectionist. Sometimes it's a bit ridiculous. But there it is. Weekend is outlined. Love it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is my June freebie. I'm in love with this set. I think it turned out really good. And I just love it. It's so cute. So it's Watercolor Botanicals little doodles, and it goes perfectly with my Faraway Galaxy mini sticker kit bundle. There's 6 sets that come in this bundle, and it goes great with this color scheme. So I'm going to pull in 3 different colors from that kit, or the bundle of kits. And I'm going to start out with this dark purple, just this little strip of washi that's going to be like my header for this section. On the right side of the weekly page, it's this really light dotted grid pattern. So that's going to be my notes. Here's another color from that bundle. And I'm just grabbing one of these colored boxes and just going to resize it. This is going to be the area that I use for my to-do list for the week. So this whole right side of the page is just going to be my to-do list and my notes and things like that. And then on the left side of the page is the actual planning throughout the week. And I'm just going to decorate this top section because, like I said, this is my to-do list, but it's got to have decoration. Do you guys hear the birds? Do you hear them? I hope you can hear them. There's currently like 5 birds on my bird feeder right outside the window of my office as I record this. So fun. I love having this bird feeder right there. It's so cute. I'll share some photos. Anyway, so just decorating this area. It's like, ooh, squirrel. Except in my case, ooh, bird. Anyways, decorating. Lovely. So here I'm going to pull in this cute little dotted line. And once I get it sized how I want, then I can copy that. And I'm just going to use it to just a little pop of that dark purple, just a little decoration over here. It doesn't really mean anything. It's just decoration, but I thought it'd be fun. And now let's see, let's pull in this really pretty teal color. Now this is also in that mini kit bundle. And I'm going to use this to help me divide up the top portion of my to-do list with the bottom portion for notes. And you won't see it in this video, but you'll see it whenever I share the after the pen look at this weekly spread. But I ended up adding a little habit tracker sticker from Ink and Pine. And so that it's purple. It looks really, I think it's purple. Is it purple? It's purple or teal. But it goes really good with this set, so I ended up pulling that in. And I'm going to use the pen tool here to just create some little lines with this color. This is a color I already had saved in my little pen library, and that just kind of gives you a little border to divide up the notes at the bottom from the to-do list at the top. And I like how that's coming together. And now let's grab in this big floral here, and I'm going to use the bottom as like a little just decoration down here. I purposely left this area blank in the page template for this planner, so that if you wanted to go with a more minimal look with just full-on like planning but have a little bit of decoration, this bottom section is like the perfect spot to do that. So it's just, you know, tuck all your little decoration on there. Obviously I don't do that very often because I mean I like to decorate my spreads, but if you want to go with minimal, that's how you can do that. So this is another way that I'm using these little dotted lines, and it's just to help me decorate my weekend area. But then I'm also going to pull in another one of these botanicals and stick it here, the little heart with the flowers. It's cute. And let's see. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of these boxes to use as my little reminders. Oh, Drake, don't bark at the birds. Use this as reminders for the... Oh, you okay? He just fell. It's okay. He's fine. He's fine. Don't bark at the birds. Okay, so these are just my little reminders of the social media stuff that's going out this week. So like the shop, the collage on Saturday. I've got 2 videos throughout the week. And then the collage starts on Monday. I totally said that backwards, but you know what I mean. Like, I don't know why I started at the bottom of the week, but whatever. So for Monday, I'm pulling in some decoration, but also some little areas that I can write notes. There's a digital release I'm looking forward to on Monday. And well, I'm recording this on Friday, so it's already happened, but you know what I mean. And then I'm also going to use this little banner thing because we're doing... it's so weird to talk in past and present tense in this video. Okay, Monday is Memorial Day, so we did a family cookout thing. It was just, you know, just a few of us getting together and grilling out on the back deck. So that's what that little banner's about. Am I extremely random today? Maybe. It's okay. You guys should be used to that by now. Okay. So pulling in another one of these circles and cropping it down for another reminder. This one's a meeting reminder that that's going on Friday. Well, when I created this, the meeting was on Friday. It got moved up to Thursday. So that has since moved, but it's okay. It's digital planning. You can do that. Paper planner, then you have to like scribble arrows to show that it moved. So digital. Yay, digital. I love this little pink little branch, I guess you would call it. It's cute. Let's see, what else do we need? Okay, so I'm going to grab these little arrows. These are going to be my little bullet points throughout the week. I've gotten into the habit of being more of a daily planner with my extreme detail on my daily pages, and then the week is just like my major highlights and like the large tasks. So these little bullet points, just adding a few of those. Can you hear my birds? They're so cute. Adding a few of those that I can use throughout the week and add more as I need them. And then this little square doodle will be good. I'm going to throw it down here at the bottom, and then in this little space, I'm going to grab one of these boxes. This is just an outline box. It's not a solid box. I'm going to layer that up so that this can be a little reminder area, and grab this little banner here and layer that up so that you're balancing out the colors throughout like both sides of the page. And I thought I was done, but then I thought of something else because I didn't like the white space, well, you know, the empty space there. So this little dot collection on the sticker pack is really just for color references. So it's the colors that I used in the set. So if you wanted to match colors, like you could pull that into Procreate and, you know, match exact colors. But I thought they're there. I included them. Let's use them for decorations. So I'm using them just as little dots to fill in. And then I thought there's this little corner area and I didn't like it. So Drake, do not bark at my birds. No, sir. So I'm going to use some of these little dots to fill in this area too, just because it felt like it was missing something. Wow, this narration is extremely random today. I don't know what's happening. It's weird. It's okay. It's me. It's fine. Okay, so I didn't like that, so I'm going to move them around a little bit. And even though it doesn't really fill in that area, it helps, I think, there. Oh, I love this set. So this sticker set is in my my freebie vault on my blog. So if you have not signed up for my subscriber list, my mailing list, do that so you can get the password to the vault and you can get all of the freebies I've ever released, including this one. Oh, so here I'm just taking the highlighter and just adding a little bit of color here to the days because I thought that was cool. Now I'm getting a security camera alert because one of the dogs is ready for breakfast. Ugh. Dog mom problems. Anyways, okay, so I think that's it. That's officially it. Go check out the freebie, sign up for the mailing list, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.